let's hear a beach story. Raj was studying in KG2. He was walking with his father along the beach. His elder brother was busy playing with waves. He was Rahul, the 7th grader. Rahul came running to his father. "Daddy, yesterday I learned about natural resources." Father asked, "What did you learn about them?" Rahul said, "Light, air, water are some of the examples. There are two types of natural resources. First is renewable resources and second is non-renewable resources." Raj, who was in KG2, asked, "What is renewable resource?" Rahul told, "You won't understand, Raj." Father said, "Explain it to him, Rahul." So Rahul agreed and he explained it to his little brother. Renewable resources means which can be used again and again and is replaced. But non-renewable resources which can't be replaced once it's over. Hello children, hope you like the beach story. In today's video, you will be learning about water is a renewable source, importance of water, different states of water, distribution of water on Earth's surface, and water cycle. Hello children, now let's learn about non-renewable resources. The resources that cannot be renewed and deplete after they are used by the living beings are called non-renewable resources. Deplete, they get used up. So once they are used up, we won't be able to find them on planet Earth. What are the example? Coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are formed by dead and decaying plant matter and they take millions of years to form. The next one is renewable resources. The resources that do not deplete even after they are constantly used by the living beings are called renewable resources. They don't get used up. Example, light, air, and water. Now let's learn the first topic, water and renewable resource. Life on Earth cannot exist without water. Every life form depends on water. Human body is made up of more than 70% of water. Why do we need water? For proper functioning of body, humans require water. How much an adult human should drink? 2 to 3 liters of water. So how water is helping the human body? It helps in digestion and excretion. Digestion of food requires water. Removal of waste from the body requires water. It helps in regulating body temperature. How? When your body gets heated up, if you go under sun, you start sweating. So the water is released along with salt. Then your body cools down. So this is the way the water is regulating body temperature, the form of sweat. And also the air that you exhale also has water. So the air that is coming out from lungs also has water in the form of water vapor. The chemical formula of water is H2O, 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. Now let's learn various other functions of water. Water helps for metabolic function in human, plant and animal. What are the metabolic functions? For example, burning of energy, breaking down of fat, breaking down of glucose. These are all metabolic functions which are very important. So you should know which is the animal which has highest metabolic rate. You will find out later. Do watch the entire video. Okay, metabolic functions are very important. So if we require energy, we need a lot of energy. So we burn a lot of fat and carbohydrate, right? So metabolic function entirely depend on water. Water serves as a natural habitat for aquatic plants and animals. So, marine animals totally depend on water for survival. That is their home. Whales, sharks, fishes, alligators, right? They all depend on water. Now, the age group of 9 to 13 year. How much amount of water should a girl drink? She should drink 1.3 liter to 1.5 liter of water. Okay? And boys required 1.5 to 1.7 liter of water. That's why doctor always say stay hydrated, especially in the month of summer. Now the next topic, importance of water. Water is essential for, the picture is of a paddy field. So that means water is essential for agriculture. The picture of dam. So we know that it is hydroelectric power. Scuba diving, surfing. So sports activity, recreational activities, right? Washing vessels. All household activities, they require water. Bathing, cooking, washing vessel, gardening require water. So water is very essential. Water is essential for agriculture, photosynthesis, and seed dispersal. Agriculture, for the plant to grow, requires water. Photosynthesis, how photosynthesis? We know the plant produce food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. And how they get water? Through the root. The root absorb water, right? And seed dispersal. For example, if a coconut tree, you see it is near the coast. And once the seed falls, it is carried through water. And this outer covering will decay as it is flowing through the water. Then the seed gets attached to the bank and a new plant comes and a tree will eventually form out of it. Okay? Now next, used to manufacture medicine and chemicals. Of course, medicine manufacturing and chemicals, they require water. And water in dams is used to generate electricity, that we have learned, right? In a younger class or if you go to senior classes also, you'll be learning these things in detail. Water sports for such as swimming, surfing, scuba diving, boating, and water skiing require water. Water is also used for healing purpose. If you have pain, we will put some Ayurvedic oil and we will put water, hot water over there, or you will keep hot water bag, right? Water jets are used in surgery, especially if you're going to a dentist. If any of your house members have some root canal going, that is the root is being removed, you'll see that the dentist will have two pipes put into the patient's mouth. One is the vacuum, one is the water jet. So the vacuum will remove the water from the mouth and the jet provides the water. Because when they are removing, the blood will come, so the water will wash away the wound. Okay. So next, water is used for various domestic and day-to-day activities such as washing, cleaning, cooking, and gardening. Okay, children? Now, different forms of water. This is our next third topic. Water comes in solid form, ice, liquid, and comes in the form of water vapor. The gas around the air has water vapor. Water is the only liquid that exists in three forms or states: solid, liquid, and gas. These are interchangeable. Let's learn. Solid. Ice is the solid form of water. Glaciers, the thick block of ice. Snow-covered mountains, Himalayas, they are always covered with mountains. Ice caps, like in desert you see sand dunes. If you go to polar region, you will see like a hill of ice, a small dune shape. So they are ice caps. Liquid water in the liquid form is present in lake, ocean, and ponds. And gas or air around us has water. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Heating and cooling can change the state of water. This you should know. Heating and cooling can change the state of water. What are the different states? Solid, liquid, gas. They can get converted into any state. Ice melts at 0 degrees centigrade. This is called melting point of ice. Water on cooling changes to ice at 0 degrees centigrade. This is called the freezing point of ice. Water changes to water vapor in all temperatures. This is evaporation. So water changes into water vapor, it changes to gas in all temperature. Evaporation. So next one, what you are going to learn? Boiling point. Water when boils at 100 degrees centigrade, the change is rapid. So difference between evaporation and boiling is showing rapid change. The water gets converted into vapor quickly. That is during boiling. Therefore, there is difference between evaporation and boiling. When steam is what? Water vapor is cooled, water is formed. What is the liquid form? This is called condensation. So children, evaporation, condensation and boiling. We learned it. Okay. Now next topic, distribution of Earth's water. How water is distributed on Earth's surface. 2/3 part of Earth is covered with water. Only a small amount is available for our use. 97% of water on Earth is salty. It is not in a drinkable condition. Only 3% is fresh water. That fresh water is groundwater. All fresh water is not available for human, as over 2/3 of fresh water is frozen as glacier and polar ice caps. Okay, children? Now we go to water cycle. Water cycle. We have learned this so many times, isn't it? Water present on Earth's surface evaporates continuously. The rate of evaporation of water is increased due to heat of sun. The evaporated water, when reaches to atmosphere, the cooler air condenses into droplets. These droplets collectively form clouds. When clouds become heavy and cannot hold more water, the water droplets fall on earth as rain. This is called precipitation. After falling on earth, it again gets evaporated. This process repeats again and again in a never-ending cycle. This cycle is called water cycle, hydrological cycle. The water cycle ensures availability of water for all living organisms and regulates weather pattern on our planet. So the water from pond, lake gets evaporated and they form cloud, and when the cloud becomes heavy, they come down as precipitation, rainfall, and some water gets absorbed into ground, that is percolation. The rest again gets evaporated and the cycle. This is called water cycle. Hello children, now let's discuss the filling the blanks after water cycle in the textbook, page number 245. The water cycle is also called as a hydrological cycle. The three states of water are solid, liquid and gas. Water in dams is used for generating electricity. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. The change of water vapors on cooling to water drop is called condensation. Thanks for watching. This video is about the animal which has the highest metabolic rate. Its name is hummingbird. Now can you tell me, when is World Water Day celebrated? Do write in the comment section of this video.